This 2024 NuCamp TAB 400 Boondock is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new NuCamp is 18 feet 3 inches in length and features sleeps 4, stovetop burner, water heater, leveling jacks, self-contained, air conditioning, external shower, microwave, smoke detector, TV, auxiliary battery, and 25 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front dinette, front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2024 NuCamp TAB 400 Boondock is 3,087 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.